Welcome back to another cooking video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple but innovative, beautiful garnish. Now for this you'll need a very simple gadget. It's like this spiral cutting thing. It's just a few bucks. I'll link it in the description below. But with this you can make this amazing sort of DNA strand looking spiral thing out of vegetables. And then you can add this to sushi platters, any kind of dish, food, whatever you like. It would be beautiful in say a soup made of pumpkin, and then you could make one of these spirals out of pumpkin, cook it a little bit and put it in the soup. It'll be coming out like that and it'll be pretty cool. Anyway, let me show you how to do this. Let's go. Okay, so this here is my spiral garnish cutter. It's got a handle that you put on and then you just twist and push. Now here I'm going to take a daikon, which is a very big radish, and just push the device in on top in a straight line. And then just pop the handle on, and now you just want to press and turn. And as it goes into it, it will dig through at the right speed. So just press and turn and just feel the device going through. And then once you go through to the other end, you just want to keep going until it pops out fully. And once it does that, you're just going to want to take the handle off and then just pull it through. Okay, now you want to cut it out. So for this you cut it in softly, trying to make sure not to damage the spiral you've created. Just twist your knife and it should break apart the daikon and then at one point pop out like that. And there we go, we've got this beautiful spiral. Now you can use this as is if you like it, or you can unwind the two spirals from each other and you end up with these two corkscrew looking things. And then you can add them with different ones. So for example here I've got some carrot I'm going to do, or you could do some broccoli or some beetroot, and just do the same thing. Just cut into it and twist and pop it out, okay? And then you've got this beautiful carrot spiral, which you can again unwind, and then you can color match it with the other one. So you can take a daikon one and a carrot one and just twist them together, and you've got this very beautiful, stunning piece of art nearly that you can use as garnish. Now to color them, I've got some beetroot juice here, some spinach juice, and a little bit of red cabbage that I've blended with water. And here I'm going to take my daikon ones and just put them in. And you're going to want to soak them for about 10 minutes just so that they get the color. So just leave them to soak. And after you soak them, you're just going to want to rinse them off with some water. And then you've got these beautiful looking spirals that are colorful. And you can just go crazy with these, match them with different things. And the possibilities here are endless. And people are going to look at this and think, how did you create these amazing looking garnishes? So that in a nutshell is the spiral garnish. I hope you enjoyed this and give it a go. Okay, so there we go. I hope you got inspired by this and I hope you want to give this a try. If you do, check out the link in the description below to get the same gadget as mine. It's just a few bucks, very cheap, but you can create some very interesting things with it. Okay, check out some more of my garnish tutorials right here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.